Have you ever noticed that your scent has changed over the years? Maybe your favorite perfume doesn't smell quite the same, or you catch a whiff of something different that you can't quite place. If you have, you're not imagining things. Our body odor evolves as we age, and there's real science behind it. Now, before you start worrying, this is completely normal. Aging changes a lot about our bodies, from the way our skin feels to the way our metabolism works, and yes, even the way we smell. It's not about hygiene or anything you're doing wrong. It's simply part of the natural aging process. Today, we're breaking down 8 surprising facts about how and why body odor changes as we get older. And trust me, fact number 7 is going to completely change the way you think about your scent. Now, before we dive in, I'd love to know, where are you tuning in from? Comment below and share your city. I always enjoy hearing from you. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips like these. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming up next. Alright, let's get started. Point 1. How skin changes affect your scent. Our skin isn't just the outer layer that protects us. It's a living, breathing ecosystem that changes with time. And one of the biggest changes that happens as we age is a decrease in oil production. When we're younger, our skin produces more oil, or sebum, which helps keep it soft and hydrated. This oil also acts like a natural carrier for scent molecules, allowing perfumes, lotions, and even our own body's natural aroma to last longer. Think back to your younger days. Did your favorite perfume seem to stay on your skin all day long? That's because your skin had plenty of oil to hold on to it. But as we get older, our sebaceous glands slow down, meaning there's less oil to trap those scents. This is why your perfume might fade faster now or smell a little different than it used to. But there's another layer to this, our skin microbiome. Your skin is home to millions of bacteria that play a big role in how you smell. These bacteria interact with sweat and natural oils to create a unique scent. When your skin produces less oil, it also changes the balance of bacteria, which can shift your natural scent in ways you might not expect. So, if you've noticed that you don't smell quite the same way you used to, it's not your imagination. It's your skin evolving with time. But don't worry, there are easy ways to manage this. Staying hydrated, using pH-balanced body washes, and choosing moisturizers with natural oils can help maintain your skin's balance and keep you feeling fresh. Point 2. The science of old person smell. You've probably heard the phrase old person smell before, or maybe you've even noticed a certain scent when visiting an older relative's home. It's not necessarily unpleasant, but it's definitely distinct. Some people describe it as slightly musty, others as a soft, powdery scent. But here's the thing, it's not coming from the house, the furniture, or old fabrics. It's coming from the body itself. Scientists have actually studied this, and they've discovered that as we age, our bodies start producing a compound called 2-nonenal, pronounced 2-nonenal. This compound isn't present in younger people, but it starts increasing around the age of 40 and continues to build up over time. It's produced as a byproduct of oxidative stress, which happens when our skin breaks down fatty acids. Since aging skin is thinner and drier, it doesn't absorb or neutralize these compounds as well as it used to, which allows them to linger on the surface and even seep into fabrics like clothes and bedding. Now, before you start worrying, this is completely normal and happens to everyone. But if you'd like to minimize it, there are simple steps you can take. Stay hydrated. Water helps flush out oxidative compounds. Eat foods rich in antioxidants. Green tea, berries, and leafy greens can reduce the production of 2-nonenal. Exfoliate gently. Removing dead skin cells helps wash away lingering compounds. Use lightly scented or pH-balanced body washes to keep your skin's natural barrier strong. So, the next time you notice that certain scent, remember, it's just your body going through its natural aging process. And with a few small changes, you can keep it in check and stay fresh. Point 3. How hormones affect your scent. Ladies, you already know that hormones control just about everything in our bodies. Our mood, energy levels, skin, and even how we smell. And as we age, hormonal changes, especially during menopause, have a direct impact on our body odor. When we're younger, estrogen helps regulate sweat production and keeps our skin naturally hydrated. It also plays a role in balancing the bacteria on our skin, which affects our natural scent. But as estrogen levels drop with age, a few key things happen. Drier skin and less sweat. You might think sweating less is a good thing, but sweat actually dilutes odor-causing compounds. With less sweat, certain compounds can become more concentrated, leading to a slightly stronger or different natural scent. Changes in bacteria. Our skin is home to trillions of bacteria that interact with sweat and oils. When estrogen dips, the bacteria that used to thrive in a more hydrated environment adapt to your drier skin. This can create a sharper, muskier, or spicier scent than before. Hot flashes and night sweats. If you've ever woken up feeling drenched in sweat, you know how frustrating it can be. These sudden bursts of sweating can also contribute to body odor, especially if sweat lingers on your skin or in your clothes. How can you manage these changes? Switch to a pH-balanced body wash made for mature skin. Wear breathable fabrics like cotton to help regulate temperature. Stay hydrated and moisturize daily to keep your skin's natural balance in check. Consider light exfoliation to remove excess sweat and bacteria buildup. So, if you've noticed that your scent is different than it was in your 30s or 40s, don't worry. It's just your hormones rewriting the rules. And with a few small tweaks, you can still feel fresh and confident every day. Point 4. How medications can change your body odor. Have you ever started a new medication and noticed that your scent seemed different? Maybe it was stronger, muskier, or even slightly metallic. Believe it or not, the medications we take can have a direct impact on how we smell. Many medications change the way our bodies process sweat, oils, and other compounds, which can lead to subtle or not so subtle shifts in body odor. Here are some common ones that might be affecting you. Blood pressure medications. Some, like beta blockers and ACE inhibitors, can increase sweating or alter the composition of sweat, sometimes leading to a metallic or slightly sour smell. Antidepressants and anxiety medications. These affect neurotransmitters like serotonin, which also help regulate sweat glands. Some people experience increased sweating or changes in the way their sweat smells. Diabetes medications. Drugs that affect blood sugar levels can sometimes lead to a slightly sweet or fruity body odor. This is due to how glucose is processed in the body. Painkillers, especially opioids. Long-term use of pain medications like oxycodone or morphine has been linked to a stronger, muskier scent, likely due to how the liver breaks down these drugs and excretes them through sweat. What can you do about it? Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water helps flush out medication byproducts. Eat water-rich foods. Foods like cucumbers, watermelon, and citrus fruits help reduce buildup. Talk to your doctor. If a medication is causing a noticeable change in body odor, ask if an alternative is available. Use antibacterial body washes. Some medications alter the skin's bacterial balance, so using a mild antibacterial soap can help. If you've noticed a shift in your body odor and can't figure out why, your medication might be the hidden culprit. Small lifestyle changes can help, but if it's bothering you, it's always a good idea to check with your doctor. Point 5. How your diet affects your scent. You've probably heard the saying, you are what you eat. Well, when it comes to body odor, that's absolutely true. The foods we eat don't just affect our health, they also play a big role in how we smell. Some foods contain compounds that get absorbed into our bloodstream and released through sweat, breath, and skin, changing our natural scent. Here are some of the biggest culprits. Garlic and onions. These are packed with sulfur compounds that linger in the body long after you've eaten them, causing a strong, pungent odor to be released through your sweat. Red meat. It takes longer to digest than plant-based foods, which means byproducts from its breakdown can seep out through the skin, leading to a heavier, muskier body odor. Alcohol. Ever notice that after a night of drinking, your sweat smells different? That's because alcohol gets metabolized into acetic acid, which can give off a sour or slightly unpleasant scent. Spicy foods. Things like hot peppers, curry, and cumin increase sweat production, which can intensify body odor and even leave a lingering spiced scent on your skin. Dairy. If you're even mildly lactose intolerant, without realizing it, undigested lactose can ferment in the gut, leading to a sour, unpleasant odor. But don't worry, some foods can actually help neutralize odor and keep you smelling fresh. Leafy greens, spinach, kale, Swiss chard. These are rich in chlorophyll, which acts as a natural deodorizer inside your body. Citrus fruits, oranges, lemons, grapefruits. Their high water content and vitamin C help flush out odor-causing compounds. Green tea. packed with antioxidants that fight odor-causing bacteria. Herbs, mint, basil, rosemary. Their natural aromatic oils subtly improve body scent. If you've noticed changes in how you smell, your diet might be playing a bigger role than you think. Try swapping out some of the stronger-smelling foods for fresher alternatives and see if you notice a difference. Point 6. Why stress makes you smell different. Have you ever noticed that when you're nervous, anxious, or under pressure, you smell a little different? Maybe it's a stronger, sharper scent that feels harder to control? Well, there's a scientific reason for that. Your body has two types of sweat glands. Eccrine glands. These are all over your body and produce a watery, odorless sweat to help cool you down. This is the kind of sweat you get from exercise or hot weather. Apocrine glands. These are found in areas like your armpits, groin, and scalp. When you're stressed, these glands release a thicker sweat that's rich in proteins and fats. The problem? Bacteria love these proteins and break them down into strong-smelling compounds, leading to that sharp, musky, stressed sweat odor. And here's something even more surprising. As we age, chronic stress can make this odor more noticeable. Why? Hormonal changes affect the way apocrine glands function. Drier skin can make odor-causing bacteria more active. Increased anxiety in older age about health, finances, or family changes can lead to more frequent stress sweating. How to reduce stress-related odor. Practice deep breathing, a simple 4-4-6 breathing technique. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4, exhale for 6. Helps lower stress hormones. Use an antibacterial body wash. Since stress sweat comes from bacteria breaking down sweat compounds, using a body wash with tea tree oil or benzoyl peroxide can help. Wear loose, breathable fabrics. Tight synthetic clothes trap stress sweat, while natural fabrics like cotton and linen allow air to circulate and keep you fresher. So if you've ever wondered why stress makes you smell different, now you know the science behind it. Point 7. How your clothes could be trapping odor. You might be doing everything right, bathing regularly, using deodorant, eating fresh foods, but still notice that your body odor lingers longer than it used to. Believe it or not, your clothes could be the real culprit. As we age, our sweat and skin chemistry change. The natural oils and compounds our skin releases interact differently with fabrics, meaning some materials trap odors more than others. The worst fabrics for odor. Synthetic materials, polyester, nylon, spandex. These fabrics trap sweat and bacteria, preventing airflow and allowing odor to build up over time. Even after washing, they can hold on to smells, making clothes seem clean, but still carrying a faint, stale scent. Tight-fitting clothes. If clothes cling too much to your skin, they don't allow sweat to evaporate, creating the perfect environment for odor-causing bacteria to thrive. The best fabrics for freshness. Cotton, breathable, absorbs moisture, and allows air to circulate. Linen, wicks away moisture and dries quickly, preventing bacteria buildup. Bamboo fabric, naturally antimicrobial and super soft on the skin. How to keep clothes odor-free. Wash with white vinegar. Add half a cup of vinegar to your wash cycle to break down trapped bacteria and odor-causing residues. Use baking soda. Sprinkling a little baking soda in the wash helps neutralize smells. Sun-dry whenever possible. Sunlight is a natural disinfectant that kills lingering bacteria. Avoid fabric softeners. Many commercial softeners leave a waxy residue that actually traps odors instead of removing them. If you've ever noticed that your clean clothes still have a faint smell, your fabrics might be holding on to more odor than you realize. Switching to breathable materials and using these laundry tricks can help you stay fresher for longer. Point 8. How your home environment affects your scent. Believe it or not, your home plays a big role in how you smell. Over time, the air you breathe, the fabrics you sit on, and even the cleaning products you use can mix with your natural body chemistry and influence your scent. If you've ever walked into an older relative's house and noticed a familiar but unique scent, it's not just the furniture or old books. It's a combination of air circulation, fabric absorption, and body chemistry. Poor ventilation. Stale air lets dust, pet dander, and bacteria settle on your skin and clothes. Absorbent fabrics, upholstered chairs, thick carpets, and heavy drapes trap body oils and sweat over the years. Cleaning products and air fresheners. Many scented sprays mix with natural odors, sometimes creating an odd blend instead of neutralizing smells. How to keep your home fresh and support a clean scent. Open windows daily. Even just 10 minutes of fresh air can make a huge difference. Wash fabrics regularly. Bedding, couch covers, throw pillows, and curtains absorb body scents over time. Clean them often. Use natural odor absorbers. Place baking soda or activated charcoal in small bowls around your home to absorb unwanted smells. Invest in an air purifier. Helps remove dust, bacteria, and lingering scents from the air. If you feel like your scent has changed and you can't figure out why, your home environment might be influencing it more than you realize. Making a few small adjustments can help you stay fresher without relying on heavy perfumes or air fresheners. We've covered a lot today, from how aging changes our skin and scent to how stress, diet, clothes, and even our home environment play a role. But the good news? Most of these changes are completely manageable with small tweaks to your routine. Now, I want to hear from you. What's one thing you learned today that you'll start doing? Will you switch to cotton clothes? Try exfoliating more? Drink more water? Comment below and let me know. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on aging gracefully and feeling your best every day. You deserve to feel confident, fresh, and comfortable at any age. See you in the next video.